Changing your plan on Hims and Hers can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hims and Hers website and log into your account using your email and password. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 2. Navigate to your subscription. Once logged in, find the section labeled My Subscription or Manage Subscription. This area will provide details about your current plan and options for changes. Step 3. Select Change Plan option. Look for an option that says Change Plan or Edit Plan. Click on this option to view the different plans available to you, including any new features or pricing. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms before the changes are finalized. Once you have completed these steps, your plan will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Hims and Hers customer support for assistance.